Detective Spence, how you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
I'm alright, man. Is everything alright?
Yeah, man, everything good.
No, nobody will see you come on out.
No, sir. No,
Make sure, you know.
So, what do I hold this pleasure?
Why, huh? You call it pleasure, you know, but I hope so. Anyway, there was some bigger problem with public. You know public? Spouse, ex, public. Come on, man. All right. On a serious note, this is very serious. All right.
I understand that, but wait, sir. Oh, you know.
Don't worry about that, man. I'm the police, so don't worry about that. All right. So don't just forget about that.
Alright, sir.
Anyway, what happens still, you know, is that you have to go undercover, and we cannot find anybody else to do the work. It's just you because you know everything very close and personal. So you know you have to go undercover. You understand? Yeah, man, but you have to be careful, you know.
No, no, sir.
Because, you know, I not use the word alleged, you know. These things are we sure about that he's doing, you know. He's doing big shipment, all kind of things that we're certain of, but we just want to, you know.
Make sure, like.
Yes, man, get back close to him, get all information, and make sure you relay everything to us. Because we have to catch him.
I can't believe you said that thing done. Alright, yeah, man, anything.
You say, yeah, film thing and all, man, now, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, because trust me, man, we have to get them people off of the street, man, because they're making it bad and, you know, and stuff. Anyway.
So, when you want me to go by that side?
Tomorrow. Anytime. No, man, we see. No.
That kind of too fast.
No, man, we seriously have to get with that guy. You know, we serious. Listen to me. Are you we think about right now? Are you the only one? So anyway, just you know the protocol already.
Yes, sir. We know everything.
Alright, and you see how I'm sophisticated, me I tell you say gadgets when you your phone, anything like that, be careful. Because in Ghana technology now they track you and all them stuff there, you know. So
You
now take my
understand?
phone from him,
No, sir,
be very careful. You know how it's there.
We know it's this.
Alright?
Yeah.
So I'm expecting you to start tomorrow morning, alright?
To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Say door no lock, but me never say if you push the door and come in. What you say? What you say? Where you come from? What?
Jack, come for Jack off, sir. See your face look, sir. Your face look, sir. Come, I'm here.
What? Me ask you what?
No, and then normal, we are deal with, we talk about always and we always are deal with. Too miserable, you know. Too miserable, you know. Too miserable, man.
Yo, push over in the corner, you know, because you know what thing already, you know, because if people come in here and trouble it, you know how it go.
Too miserable, man. That's smile for your face, man.
Push over in the corner.
Then what you tell me if you put it?
Because you're from where you move to boom it, you know.
What move Boomy from over there?
I like how you move.
What move Boomy from over there? You're
So
too miserable.
You don't know. You don't know.
Come on. Like you know,
Man, you me the foolishness and I ask if I don't know.
Yeah, done long time, man. No, it's not like when you get attitude, if you put on a smile on your face and look more nice up. Look, you know, see you're nice though. And you have your face so every minute. Jaja. I'm full this here.
Yeah, I come in here. You come in here now and ask me who for phone like that. Eh?
You must see your phone over
I
this.
wear really pan. I come and fill up me. Eh?
No want you.
Eh?
No want
Come
you.
me first, never want
No
you.
want you.
Junk come me first, never want you.
No
So
want
make
you.
you just take your presents from out of my side. Come me first, never want you. I could have want you, Junk. Eh?
No want you.
You
No want you.
know me for me want you.
You see, you're full of too much attitude.
I get what me I tell.
You see, you're full of too much attitude and when you junk around the road, and everybody I pass you, because they say you're a man and you act like a man. And me, sorry for you now, care your yard and something, because I know you're not a man. And here you are dealing with me now, chew what me do? What me do? What me kinda like me?
Well, on so Junk. I really take on a use against me now.
I don't take me a take you use against what me I try show you say yo me always did it for you when you know did it for me when you make it feel like you have me up tell me if you have me up tell me you know.
Me can't have you.
If you have me up tell me you know.
If me have you, me now put you down. So
Me
can't
say if you have me
people.
up tell me cause watch me can't manage it. You are not enough business with you know cause fear sometimes scare me for true you know. Yeah man. If you scare me for true.
You are good. You are good.
Wow.
See. You want to buy one car, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Me wonder say.
Oh, go on now.
Oh, you are going now.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if I could have borrow your cut.
Cut up. Yeah. Cut what? Cut what? Answer me no cut what?
What do you mean by cut out? You know me at all, but you know things set already. You know code. Me say I want to borrow your cut.
I prank me down. Then I tell you say I want my piece to go deal with something or down a country. I tell you already.
Yo, you see. It's what me don't like it sometimes. It's what me don't like it sometimes. Every
So,
time, you see. Me a beg you to do me one favor. You can't do it.
I can't do it, but me don't tell you say I have something to go do a country. You know, you way you so wait them, you not consider me neither.
You consider yes, but that could stay. You can't. Where say? You can't let me.
Me no know you.
You can't let me.
No, me have to go think about it. Me have to go think about it. I know you
Me
did.
don't know.
You think no before you ask me. You think about if you ask me, don't. Answer some question. You think about if you ask me.
If me think about if you ask me. I never think about it. Me
You
just
just
know say you get a cut, so I want if you borrow.
You think about if you ask me.
Me just know say you get a cut, and I want if you borrow.
Me have to
Me
think
never think
about
about
it.
it. Me
Me have
just
think about
know
it.
say you get it, and I want it.
So bad me for me my own cut. That's why I'm not, you know, I'm take the time.
You know, I tell me not left to live about them place. It don't make no sense right now.
No, right now, me can't manage
Right
yourself.
now, you fully don't want me. That make no sense
No,
right
right
now.
now, me can't manage fear energy yourself right now.
Why you live for proud or something? If I can't manage my energy, it's a fear business because sometimes I even like myself. Why?
Yeah, man. So there next up. Everything we do.
Yeah, man, everything good. With that certain things. But in a real life, you don't know, say, me I want to play the show. You know. Everything me I do, you know.
Yeah, man, you know, say words them safe.
You don't know, see, the girl is slim as you are.
What? I was trying to sleep, not true?
You don't know what I do.
Mm.
You don't know, say, my grown there or something. Grown there. A big attitude. And what you know, we have to go change spot, you know, because I'm not too trust around there like one time. Another time, I try boss up certain things, you know, my friend. But what you know, a be a strange man, be a strange face, I see around there, man, but I'm not like the move. The grown if you put up, for let off something them attitude, me I get think, yeah, I'll move like, say, you know, no, say.
And that you can deal
That
with.
me I can deal with. Attitude. You see me? And then here we go say, no, here she go say to me. She want borrow my code.
You mean borrow your code?
To buy a car.
Jesus.
Like she a try to take me for idiot. You see me? Me not like that.
Alright, here why she do that now. You remember when I ropes around so? And then we tell us, boy, make she deal with her situation by herself. You turn back now and say I will help her out and rate it and make sure she reach her yard. Because let me tell you something about Simmons. Because when I really want to call her name, let me tell you about Simmons. Simmons stuck in one way there, you know. And she used miserable thing and I try to run certain. That's why I just keep her at a level.
No.
In level, I keep her. She knows that she can't ask me to them kind of favor. Like.
Then
Right now, she accepts that now, you know. She feel like she can manipulate the facts, say my woman.
One time I go ask me if I want her. I make she know say me no want her. She knows say me no want her, you know. So, you know say I move like a man. You know say I move like a man for true.
Not true, man.
Me can't man in fast on you, you know.
You sound desperate though. I wonder what kind of desperation.
No man, what that member say, you know. Boss, member say, you know. Me have family life to take care of, you know. Right now too, me see place around. Me have to make sure say me save up family little piece of shillings, cause I want to make sure say if not and the police they run in, me have somewhere can go deal, somewhere can go things can go deal with food can pull it, and me have people who want money to things. You see me? Yeah. So when she come with me and I give me attitude, me not like that. As we tell her before, we have to go find a next spot, cause watch her. A be a strange face as me tell her before.
Cause me I hear that one little talk, one little brother tell me say be a police, a circle around and them don't really know where I go on, cause the place don't really look like I want, you know, one hot spot like that. And that's the only reason why sometimes when I bring it come my yard, cause you know, rope straps, people can run in. At 3 times police running for me. And they don't find nothing, they can't find nothing. But them have an idea that that I go on, cause my name bigger street. You understand me? I say, but I only read. But you don't have to reason with Pinky and so we have to keep on a card and
you
I've got reason with that and see what I'm going.
Yeah man, cause me really not too like what I go on, you know. And tell her, say, what you know? You see when we come our yard, our business, strictly business we come from. We don't come to no friendly nothing until he start begging me money. How you feel like? You don't have life too.
I really that.
That's it. You have to hold up your time.
Yeah man, do that. As I'm going to say everything jump off and everything, right?
Yes.
So, me shout you. On Tuesday 7th, Tuesday 7th, make sure you get your practice.
Kemar Williams. It's like a land.
I know your heart's afraid of me, someone like me. You've seen the flow, the flex of what you think it could be. I know you're thinking that I'm just a bad child.
How that?
Breaking hearts is the only thing I'm good for. I'm saying I can be that one to take away your pain.
Try that. What things that what go on, man? Eh? Sleeping as usual.
Where you coming from?
No, you know, I think, man, you know, working people and I have to make sure everything good, everybody comfortable. You know what I mean? Some just want to, you know, touch base and see what I'm going. If you watch about something already.
I just tell you something, I understand where you're coming from because that the manager up everything already. And on a regular basis, it's me never see you pop up so yet. So, how happen?
I'm just saying, look, man, I want to take it, you know, rate it, but, you know, we just have to say, you know, your mood kind of look like you're unhappy or come on, man, good man. You good? Talk to me. Reason me, man.
Me good, nothing do me.
You
Me
sure?
good, yeah, me good man, nothing do me.
Yeah, cause you know, I don't want to feel like you're under pressure and you know, nobody not really consider certain things. 'Cause remember, you know, we are a team, don't? And before we are contact, that's all. Eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have to just make sure everybody good. You know what I mean? And you know, the place, I say, I have to try to get a lock on the door there, official, because we don't want nobody come. Even though nobody not running certain way, because it covered. But we can't take no chance. Don't. Mm-hmm.
Well, right now me there in this hot place. I want to do something, you see me? I want to do something. Right now you see me in me a bleach and it come like say me can't reach because this a hot place. Yeah. Me just stuck up in a place. So.
But remember,
You understand?
Remember, I say, I work, and everybody have to do what they have to do. You know what I mean? One man cut it, and man carry it, one man get in one place where, you know what I mean? So few thing is just for security. So I call it the goalkeeper. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you call me goalkeeper, that is not the point. Me need to go out. You understand? Me need to go out.
So what do you mean go out? Like,
Me can't, alright, listen what me really upon now me really want.
yeah, be honest, yeah.
Want a car.
Want a car?
Yeah. I may have 1 million. I want the rest. So what you say?
Alright. I mean, I'll give me 2 months then. 2 months, I'm saying me
Come like say, hold on, loco, plus nah work.
When you say what I own, what do you mean? Like, oh, so you ask me about this already?
You hold on, loco, plus nah work. Go.
I'm confused.
Yo. Me can't wait for 2 months. Me can't wait for 2 months. Me can't there so and stuck up in this thing and me can't go out. Me need to go out. You understand? So 2 months come like a 2 month worth of
Stress, not true.
stress and
debt.
debt.
Alright.
In the cafe.
Alright.
Where you say I go on now?
Alright, so where I go on? I must say about even things I do. Even though I call it, you know, certain amount of money, I don't want to watch that. Because, you know, every lifestyle have a price. And my lifestyle have a price.
Right now, come like my cut all a job to you know. It might tell you where I go.
No, you can't go, sir.
Hmm?
No, you can't go, sir.
You
I
can't
retire,
go,
I
sir.
joke.
Retard me. Come like the rest of people they might get more cut on me and all.
Nah, man, that's one
I
same.
don't see what I go on.
Don't change.
Sense.
Listen, man, I'm not telling you just relax, man. The thing, man, I don't want you to feel so unhappy and irritated. The thing is the same. If you nothing fig change, I have to increase. It can't decrease. Alright, you are going. Give me a week. I'm gonna say we can work at it for you.
Well, the week not so bad, you know.
But me can't go more than maybe 500,000. So if it work your
You
budget.
have to do something better than that, man.
You mean you have to do something better than that?
You have to put some more on it.
You hear what I say? A loan or a gift? You have to tell me.
It's a loan.
If it's a loan, you know, say, it was can't pass this, so you have to give me a time. I must say, I'm here paying, so, and like say, you understand? I will step back out of the money, say, this time we are there. So I'm here to tell you. So me I say, so this decision have to be one where you know exactly what you are doing. 1 week time you can get 500,000. And think you just go and hold it and easy. Come on, the place secure. Which part you left it? Same place you left it? Come on, I mean I always tell you say sleep on the bed the way stuff there. Alright, you what me gonna do? I'll give you a call later on. See? Because I don't like how your face and your vibes look. That's my problem. You understand me? I say, me's a brother who I like happy vibes, you know. Happy money I like to collect. Happy people I like work
If
with.
you want to work on happy people, make people happy.
So that's why I'm there.
You hear me? I tell you.
And that's why I'm
Alright,
there.
I'm stuck up in this hot house here. Can't move. Can't do nothing. And that's something if you expect for in my life. Stuck up in a I can't get no car. Hello. What go on there? My cousin. You know what I talk? For a long time, girl.
What?
For a long time, girl. Yeah, yo. Yeah, them they are going easy. I'm going with. Okay, nice. Yeah, man. They are going easy as usual. Yeah, man, a good man, you. Alright, now see how me knock you up back later, eh? Aye.
Thanks for being idea, you know.
Brother.
How you go now?
Yeah, I know.
Think of an?
Yeah, man, send me a phone, get a link, you know.
No, today that idea, you know.
Yes, boy.
So go on.
You know, saying I real life.
Think about good.
Yeah, everything go good with people. Thing go good and so me I come back from face side and come here with the but here like I said.
Boy,
Yeah.
that's what I mentioned mine still, my friend. God knows that, but so you say go on different the dog, you know? I'll think about it.
Boy, I be things are going, you know. But
There's some first bad
yeah,
man
because,
that.
yeah.
Yeah, that got no man for a parent. I mean, I said, oh, cash stay. I cash flow stay here.
What you talk about?
I just still on that, you know, I should get straight to the point, brother. Because I'm not be corrupt one in a parish, my friend. But I'm going to say that. You feel like say funds are share right now.
Sometimes I meds it to me, boy. Sometimes I meds it to boy. You know what things said? I meds it more, you know. In real life, I meds it, but watch you know. The truth, me can't change it. I have to just work with it, you see me?
Post me tell us right now, see? Meds say dog. I like say you try to fight against no man thing, you know, my friend. I like say Ray, you know. But right now, I'm pretty sure I'm going to kick off more thing in the dark. Me and I want me and I can't do a thing. So me and I bush my friend, me and I hot friend my friend. I dig up my friend. I dig up my church and I say that day. We don't know who I connect them already, my friend. Everybody don't know it already, my friend. We don't know who if you know. I dig up my church, remember in a man. Coast guard, everything, my friend. Such a we don't really need a make money in that. I dig up my church, but which at the same time we can still. You know, supply them, my friend, but watch out, who have to do full little thing, brother. You dig a man charge here? Because pre-meds, man. Pre-thing now. Then little chum change a dog more, a dog is go up on a one bar, brother. He shake out. Can't go supermarket 2 times for a month without them food, brother. Just thing, brother.
So you try to tell me, say, you want out and do your own thing certain way.
Yeah, dog.
You say you want me to forward the inner with you. But me I made Zami tell you, say, brother, I don't think you go work, you know, because I try already, you know. In real life, man, I try already. I try multiple times, try different ways to just lift up and do a thing for myself, brother, never work. Right now, as me there, I just want to work with them and work with right now.
Well, watch out now. I never did me in my time there. I remember saying that you can't do chop when I said, I'm trying to say that I said, I'm going to be corrupt on my friend. But I remember saying, man, they love their cushion panging on my friend. There's something I have to ease them on the energy, because sometimes feel them energy with the whole way down, brother. Not because something that, oh, that look. If you don't say, I can't go and $3 million a month, my friend, I mean, I can't call out $5 million for a month, my friend, and stay so that
So make a 3, me have to collect and you collect 5. So to me, me know somebody you feel like say me was.
Dad, no, you have a pretty thing, remember saying, no? And me go to pay work and then you know pay no work cost a fear for you.
No, man, you just tell me, say, no, we no middle man business.
You make $3 million now? What type of fear? You make $1 million now? I'm on.
What you know, it better that, alright, what you know, let me shoot me answer you.
Yes.
It better.
Better
Right
what?
now, I'm sure that the money there, I'm not sure if your money yet, you know. Me not sure for your money yet, I'm sure that the money there, my G.
Brother. See this. You tell me say that you're a sucker for crumbs. Don't go try to go for what I bread.
Sucker for crumbs.
Yes, man, it's for the back in the ideas, you're going to slave them, you know. It's that mentality that come with.
I'm not about slave, my friend. I'm not about slave, but I'm sure the money, I'm sure it's left that I'm not sure, my friend. I'm sure of this. Yeah, I say.
Look, oh my God, I must say first, you know. The dog say, alright, you want to give him 10 pounds. Till the dog say, you have to step it up to 15. See? You step up your money yet?
You don't step up your money, and that me want to talk to him about too.
I hear them a whisper say, I saw 25 pounds they want now. I don't hear them make no talk about rising cash. But you work keep on doubling and tripling, but the funds not doubling and tripling. So if you want to sit down there, my friend, and buffer, you're going to beat, but that means that means whisper to them, my friend.
No, don't think about it.
Start my operation right now. I don't really want nobody to try. You know? Be a full stop to my thing, friend.
What time of day me I wonder, what make a 5 million you want and a go?
But man, take your mind off of that, no man. Just breathe. If I don't want to go frackers at 3 million a month, you know. How much do you collect a month, friend? Man, sometimes I'll 2-3 months and I collect nothing. I assure 3 months every month. Remember saying that? We are the cannabis. Remember saying that? How much money you see them and then I call for one fee play them. How much millions of them I pay for one fee play them. Brother, we should have clean and hot, my friends. Me there Sunday we can put like food in the house, man.
No, they want
Me tell us me rent who actually people them rate me, my friend, and they even show me up some style. So all me, you know, for the pushing energy with you, I the girl me think. So I know
so
so
what
me can
girl thing? Me tell us about girl thing.
Not you, brother, not you. Oh gosh, me just use it as an example, my
No,
friend.
I use me as an example.
Alright, sorry, my brother. Because I know you're not going to do me that to true you. But does that mean where the pan?
I have to go. Actually, I have a number. Me call you and make you know the things.
Remember saying, you don't have to do it. So first, ready.
Actually, as I tell you before, I make a call. I call you. And make you know I go and call. Right now, from morning, I be things are going and right now I be new things me I hear right now from morning. Cause what you know? No, yeah, good and a bad too. A good and a bad. Cause why a bad? Because I saw unexpected things.
Unexpected.
You don't know slimmers. Okay, I think them like a thing them like slimmers.
Yeah.
And slimmers come like you are using crayfish brain for me. I tell me say she man Mike, I demand me for my cut her money, you know. So all they sit there get to my brain and that, you know.
Man, you're still much in a business, you know, man.
But you tell them here we chat.
You go on, man. Say you go on like your skill and your word.
No.
You name, you know, man.
It's not about name. Here we chat, man. That's not you think about where you just say.
Yeah, that's the thing, man.
Alright.
Chimel and man.
Alright.
Can't meet somebody to fight back, man.
Hello? Who? I lie at her. Wait, who this? Who this for you? Jeez, I'm petty mouse. Girl. Yeah man, still down here, man. Still down here. Alright, no problem. Which place you say there? Down at your place? Oh no, okay. Okay, send me, yeah man, just send me your direction thing, man. We'll find out where they feel. I can't believe how me attack you right now. Alright, no problem. No problem, man. Alright, cool. Me I come link you right now. Cause me have a bridging to link up in a few. The bridging ISIS. You don't know if you remember him still. Alright, me a forward. Just send it to my phone right now. Send the pin to my phone so me can forward and link you up. Alright? Put in your voice, man. Think you forget for a long time. Alright, yeah, of course, we catch up. Alright? Alright, cool. Ah, something must a dream. Yo, Isis, you are going now. Give me one extra 30 minutes. Me I come link you. No, come link me. Wait for me in my place. Just carry that something there. Come link me there so and we talk. Alright? Cool. Respect. Yeah man, respect is due. Alright, my brother. We shall get it. I'm there. I'm for the hug up or shake here. Huh?
Which one now?
No.
Want a hug?
You want a hug?
Yeah.
I'll take you up. Good God Almighty.
So what?
I'm there, man. Let me get the phone call and as a matter of fact, you ask her to get me now. Is there, I see him now me from
easy
them
thing
time.
to get, man.
See him now me from them time and so forth. So what kind of, I don't know, what draw you back in the community because, since you never fancy you gone to college and them something there.
Well, are you make me come back?
Me?
Yeah, because
I said that.
to find.
Whoa, that sound like more feel special and don't know how to take it. You know what I mean? You feel like a bar and you order one special and have a drink, eh?
I know back then, I young and foolish. And I never understand what is love or I never know the meaning of a serious relationship. So that's why I did say, I don't want you to break my heart. So that's why I break your heart first.
Jesus
and then do it. Because
Wait, you hear what you're saying now? If you forgive me, like, really and truly to me, I feel like the influences of people were drawing you to that situation because, you feel like what happened to them, what happened to we, and they make a decision and say, yeah, go, and, but, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, you break my heart. But 1 and 2 times, wash my face and sitting. Everything good in my life. I'm glad I do it. Because if I never do it, I want to be who I am right now. Set myself and live for people a certain way,
But
so,
I want to forgive. Can you forgive me?
Forgive you, man.
Are you sure?
Forgive you, man. It's been so long and thing, and as a man, you have to understand, say, yeah, it's good. It's good, man. It's good. But we really don't truly want to know. Where you say you come, you say you come from me now,
because you say, alright, so I go and I understand certain little things. I go and I say, alright, I know, I feel like I time for me to come back from a relationship. But are you single?
Jesus.
Are you single?
To be honest with you, I'm not going to say I have complications because, if me go tell you something, I don't nobody know. You know what I mean? You're going to look at me as a liar, straight, right? So I can tell you, say, I don't have nobody where serious because I really have been time there. The work I'm doing now is just that I have to just here and this so I can't really, something. Yeah, man, the work I'm doing, so we have to work, we have to eat, we have to take care of yourself, lights, you know, but this place is one of the places where I wanted to actually buy a house and so forth. So what you doing yourself? Like, you know, I mean, like explain some more to me. Can you just appear, call my phone, and I'm there now, you hug me up and tell me you come for me. It's like right now I don't know what to say. You know, you feel like, you know, like I want a lot to take me winner. I don't know if I feel it or, you know, if you're going to get taken away or what.
No, not like that. It's just that. Yes, I mean, I come back down, develop back pieces with you, link up back with my cousin, because a couple of years now, I'm not here for now, well. So I just come here and I call you. I call she first and then I call you.
Funny enough to say that, you know, because while you were talking to her, I was on the, you know, I reason with her a certain week, you know, because, you know, when I community, we grew up together and all of something, and, you know, we're not in no. So nobody feels me and she and nothing, because you know, so she
no,
had G.
me just did I say, how you want to feel in something with the inner something?
No, man, I'm not staying with you. You know what I mean? So, boy, right now I don't know if you take it. Alright, so you stay there now and you want to get comfortable and you have a number and we go talk. That good?
Yeah, that's fine by me.
Boy, I know I'm still shocked.
Yeah, shocked for
I mean, because the long time first love there and thing I tell me, I don't wear glasses and something, you know, I don't know.
yeah.
You know, you look athletic though, like your gym. Like, what you do right now?
Hey, you know, alright, guess what? Like, the next time we meet, me tell her what I do, but now I'm not going to tell her about it.
Fair enough.
You're easy for you to deal with. I know lots about you already.
No, man.
You just need to get more info.
Info. Right, if I say go. But, you know, I'm confused, but as I say, I first in a long time I feel confused, because as I say, I really love you back then, you know.
Oh, say I love me.
Let's see what's going on. We talk, yeah?
Alright, be safe, yeah?
Alright.
Hi, Chief. Yeah. I just meet up with him, but yeah, I'm not just jump in and out. So. Yeah, I just talk to him smooth and tell him that I just want back a relationship. Yeah, next time me try get some information, but I talk to my cousin because she have some experience can give me, understand? Yeah, me can find out some stuff from her, and then when me get to know him a little bit more better, me get the rest of information. Alright, me keep her posted. Yeah.
Hello. Girl, are you there? Eh? Yeah, man. So I use the GPS and find that so. So, yeah, one big black gate. Alright, don't come because it's so hot and I'm the hotel. You know, a matter of fact, I'm not going to wait till that, so I'm going to pull it and come in. Alright. No, man. You can get a night hotel. I wish she did. Girl. No. You look good.
Thank you.
You look good. You're doing up everything.
Yeah.
Look at you, man. Because your life video.
Yeah,
You need to tell me the details of our board. Because life. So much.
When we did that come down, me did want to surprise. Like I remember saying this morning, me call and tell us to meet me. So me just did book this online. I want to place me.
Good old 3 years gone prior. I remember say a piece of board house we used to live in there. So I don't know when you upgrade this and you not tell me nothing.
No. As me say, I rent, but the rent here is kind of too high. So I did ask if I can come down here and go and stay. Because I can't manage to stay here. So.
Yeah, me man, cause girl I can come down here and go and stay. So but how long you stay?
And how that matters.
No, I just ask you. I just ask you how long you stay. Cause you know when you come down from no, what you call over there? Foreign. Ono the all boat.
No, I'm not going all about. I just some young stay.
Okay.
Because no certain stuff.
Yeah, man, you can come down there. So when I plan to come down there.
I did that one day if we can come this evening.
This evening?
I can't think.
I think I want to go about me feel. It doesn't sound too bad. Anyway, so you want me to do wait for you?
Yeah, I can't wait for me. But we talk a little bit now, so yeah.
No, I just ask if you want me to wait for you.
Yeah, you can't wait for me because I don't want to help me pack up my stuff then to come down.
So tell me something, cousin. I wish me is bread on you.
Girl, alright, to be honest, a long time not soon, so I just set me and forward back in my place and find out what I want to do. Because I'm going with a bag of things, you know?
Huh? You're going with a bag of things, you mean by that, cause? Because when I like how you're talking, cause fix it for talking, you mean by, you know, so I see him on me, you know?
You know what
I see him on maga piece or something, I see him on me. I see him all cause I have girl. They're my yard, lay down, eat. Get up again, watch TV.
So, nothing else fancy in my business now, but you don't work.
Eh?
You don't work.
Yeah, me work.
What kind of work?
I do work. Well, you know, say, you have one little soldier there with them care. Go and give me some of my time and me keep. So me keep him for 3 days. And me collect me little money.
You have one soldier.
One little baby they always care come give me. So me keep him for 3 days.
Oh, baby, you keep
cut.
a baby, your baby safe.
Yes. Different that. I did have one little bar work I did do, but I left the bar because you know them man these days they don't have no manners. You understand? What a long time now if woman that carry baby come give me. I don't know if she migrate, I don't know what go on with them. You understand? Yeah. So you would have come down here now. I have to go ensure say you're alright, cause and that's why I ask you how long you stay. You understand?
I think for 2 months.
2 months?
Yeah, it's
okay.
So what's wrong? Is something wrong?
No, not at all, not a thing. Let me tell you why I bother me cause.
Talk to me straight, man.
You ask me about my life. It is a question of the business, alright?
Yeah.
Me want to ask you now, what kind of work you do? What make you really come back? No, what make you really come back? Because 3 years ago, you know, you never give you to come down and so. You come look for me. You understand? And about miss. So what kind of work you do? What make you reach back here so?
Because I missed you. That's why I come back here so. And I still like at school, I not start work yet.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But me dey on break. I'm on a 3-month break. So that's why I'm here. So I say I can spend the video coming and see you. How long and then give me that little time. But then remember so them pay me next to go to school, so just come spend it with you. So, you know, enjoy the good time.
Next thing too. Here I say. You see money where you use where you say I rent this a big old house. Give me the money, like we go down here and make you see the money where I take rent, we couldn't take and buy groceries.
Yeah, both of us gonna go and make shopping.
You understand? I know. But you're spending more. Let's go. Come look for like a few things then.
What kind of job is you do again? Alright, when we reach down, we talk about it. You coming or not?
May I come, mom? Just have a look at the place.
It's a beautiful place.
Yes, that beautiful place.
Yeah. I want to see you put the thing there for that. Bed and the bed bottom. Oh, I'm trying to do that. Where you going now?
How are you doing?
Tell me there, go and do nothing. Oh.
I'm a cousin. My cousin, you're a good man. One day I did.
Thing balance though.
Oh man, they are going easy, you know?
Right. Make a quick slide to them.
Yeah, man. So you say you go?
Yes, sir, man. Beat up too special. You know I go, man.
Yeah, man.
You know I go. Make it bird right.
Alright.
I got you like. Cause, huh? I always say Smith. Who is Smith here? No, man.
No, I just want to know because I just like, I want to know so.
Yo, me general, the way I do, man. Cause for using a man, we show you place set up right now.
No, Pinky, I want to know so which part of the safe. You can't have me just come in and go see one man in your house.
Don't you look like a safe?
I don't know what you have to tell me. When
You're
just
safe,
when
cause
just did I do? When just did I do?
You might do something. You might
When
do
just did I do,
something.
Pinky? You can't just have me in
He
your
come
house.
for some things. That's some
Why-
things he
what
come
that?
for.
What was that? What was that?
Some tools he come
What
for.
kind of tools?
You don't know tools. You don't know tools.
What
We
kind
use
of-
and work pan place. You don't know
No, me not. No, what kind of stupidness that you
tools
tell
you use
me?
and work pan. So
Let me hear them, Pinky.
so if you don't use that, what you see?
Pinky, me and cousin, we not hide things from each other. We open up to each other. So if me go there, so you have to be honest with me, Pinky. So we are trying to say you not trust me again?
I didn't say that.
No, but it seems like you don't just because something is going on in your house and you don't want to tell me. You're supposed to open up to me. Like, seriously, like, what, me come down yourself for what? Like, me come down yourself to build back my bond with you and
Cause alright.
I feel so
Alright, listen.
Yeah.
Remember say, me have to try to make a little money on the side, right?
Yes.
You see what you just see? I hit a see.
So you dealing with guns? Huh?
No,
Yeah.
just associate with them.
So you know the drugs too?
No.
Wow, no. What do you mean you just associate? Oh, so I need
Obviously, because you're not blind and I just see what I go on.
public. Is what?
What?
Public.
Public is nothing. What?
Like-
Cause what I'm to you, cause me have to cool off.
No, really, I go
Cause-
because I don't understand what I go on.
Me
think,
can't
like-
explain this right now. Me just want to cool off. My brain want to cool off, you know. Me cannot explain this.
Alright, we're going to get a little time to cool off and then remember saying I'm going to explain.
Alright, cuz. Boy, you know, yo, you don't want to say,
What?
you're still enough in America. From them a long time, you're just enough, brother. What make you so nosy? Remember mama used to pinch up your nose and juke in your big eye. Fit up fast in people business. And push up your nose in it. You're too enough. Me can't believe say so you're still enough, cuz. Just take a
I
fight.
just want to know some safe girl. I'm just want to know what really are going
You're
because
safe, me just take a,
listen,
me just
I don't want nobody can run in for we, you know.
Cuz.
And that's the thing, you know. I remember some don't know the guy.
Go and
We just go
explore
see.
room. Go and explore room and take a 5.
Alright.
Enough so man.
My cousin keep all her weapons them. Yeah, she protect it for them. Like she literally not gonna know it. But you have man who come in, come load up and way back and drop off. When me get to understand. But it seems like a public boss. I not fully get all the information then yet, but me I get to make over the I kind of hear a little rattling in my house, but me go Calabar. Yeah. Pinky?
Just get the thing them and pick up the thing them on this side now. I'm going to link up the one better now. You know, go on when them ready. You know, team turn captain, you have to depend on team time, you know?
Very real, man.
Feel, you know what to know you go. Think of a different door.
I mean, I say everything good, man. I just link you up to make sure say you know good because I know say everybody up on the same level, the wavelength where it's supposed to be. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man, everything.
Yeah, man, because
everything's fixed up, man. Come here, check it, you know. You see me? Everything live, man. But watch out. Where there? One more note too. You recruit somebody new.
Recruit somebody. No, you're mad, man. One team, I same team, man. You know, cause I know it's in, you know.
Oh, man,
only can get better at times, but not right now still. But you know, you can't recruit nobody. You want to recruit somebody for put on your salary?
No, not really. No, sir. No, man. We just have an idea how the food I chat, man. Just so I know if I same team, as I said. So we just know alright, I see him sharing or going. You know?
Yeah, man, the same thing, brother. Not change, brother. Cause we can't organize until, we spread the wings and have a different location. You know what I mean? Roof traps.
Yeah.
But my mother tell me say if it's not broken, don't fix it.
Touch it.
Yeah, so I say I make it stay and I'm little and I'm long. I realize say, the whole of we don't invite nobody who are going to jeopardize the thing because family come from down. Yeah. So I just that me organize one thing. So I have a link up with basically everybody still and more, link with you to make you know say based on, the progress of everything, by the end of the year everybody's supposed to be nice. You understand what I say? Nothing will change. Right. So I'm going to just drop off it. And make sure you drop off it. Yes, everything in my bag now.
Everything, man, I feel heavy. I cheer even, I cheer somebody else, I cool me after this, so cool, I sweat like a hug, man. I chat with you like a man.
That's cool.
Really?
But cool. I mean, so just stay off of the certain main role where, I expect certain things. Say.
Anybody who got to me, so chat with the Almighty, man. Walk past all the boy, them brawling already, man. But as I say, we're going to take your advice still.
Yeah, absolutely. But do it now.
You know, cool.
Let's do it, man. See?
Alright.
I'm going to start
go here, sir.
Yeah.
I'm chat.
Alright.
and not captain of one boat there.
Oh, God, I'm saying no thing there, man. Saying, man.
Hmm.
I pack it with all the time for yesterday.
So,
Remember saying, fire in night. Before the boat, they call it
So listen
protection
now.
gun in night.
what is the problem? You're going to give me the package, the bag, and everything. You know, say captain, me and you, the boat, the captain,
So
brother.
you responsible, can't think fast, father.
So listen now.
So teacher, you talk care.
Teacher talk to me, nobody
Boss,
talk
you talk to
He
him.
talk to on different levels.
I said, I'm
You understand?
sure going different level.
Well, maybe I go on easy, you know. No, say, I flat to me there and, you know, my captain of one boat out there, say, boat there. Yeah, man, boat out there.
Oh, second, they find you out there.
No, sir.
Second
I'm
one.
alone out there. I'm be a tourist out there. So once, you know, I'm gone, I still see me gone with this, you know. So what's going on in general? A long time, I'm not see a thing, man.
No, because we're up on the hill there. But what's your name? I'm going to say everything must be do different.
But one,
What you mentioned yesterday, see,
yes.
in our real life, dog, you know, so I'm not too love how the funds are coming down. But Mr.
The
Chow,
funds-
I don't really want to inquire in your business. I say, I don't really want to know how much you get out. But I say
Listen,
that,
I say no.
you mentioned Nah, first we start my little own operation.
I understand, but
But we still
That's
push
enough.
bossy thing, you know.
listen, I say no. I like you switch up thing, you know, brother.
No, man,
You
it's
say
just
switch
no,
up
man.
on ground, so I don't like it. Guess when you switch up on ground, so one get carbine or alibi. You know that like stick with one team. You understand? See there? Upon the
man,
scene
man.
there, a one team, one dream.
Yeah.
So I know you come tell me say you want to do I sit on another side. Wait, I talk about boss. Boss,
No,
no, you
man,
talk about.
I should remember saying already. You know, you didn't say you can't put all the egg them in one boss.
I understand, but me loyal and boss never
You
grow
mentioned
me.
my father, but not pressure that.
Mm.
They can just put that on one side and us. I can't smell span that one time, but you know, we don't pressure that part. What means it's
Why?
different. You know, you're not boss recruit, no new somebody.
This is what me I say. Me see I'm blind and deaf enough. If me see, I gotta tell you something I say. If me hear, I gotta tell you something I hear. So, if you live longer
Yeah.
in your life, you have to see. Here I'm blind. There.
I think you're responsible.
But I'm not know about nothing like that, bro.
I'm going to go see a mix video and
I don't know about the beat. We're around there.
One pan you block with everything, my friend. I load me load up this about my friend. I see woman tapping with pinky. I like
That
one
means
search
that
bar.
that means that the black are run loose. Like a loose ball.
You say man for sure.
Boy.
I say me see am, but I see one.
I understand. But remember say me change. Remember say me change, you know.
No, but me know say a big
Me a
captain.
captain and one thing and
You know that. You know
the
that.
license and thing and
You know that.
I know. I see me a pray. When I pray, I pray. See back a gang thing. Check. I let it go. I'm money is about me US. I'm millions now.
Who want to make some UST in a bad man? We are no captain, my friend. I say I walk foot, my friend. I want to make some UST in a dog. You make it thing look so dog.
Boy, you have to work, but different on your try to
Watch out, man. You know, pressure that has made today, but what I say, inquire, I really want inquire, because my spirit does not take a beat there, dog. I
I
first
don't
time I
know
see
what
it,
going on there, so.
but I don't know
You see, if
that.
I'm left from there, so I don't go back on there. So I don't know. You see me, I drink my room and my special, brother.
Dog, see me, they
I
walk
see me
past
a
it. They walk past it, they touch up bag. When I tell me, I feel laugh.
What the
Come and
media
say,
you that, man?
you think I'm a child share?
You know the sense. You not even know who you are,
And they
who.
come like, you don't know him, you don't know him. So I have to go run across the boss and stuff.
We are you?
No, me responsible.
I know me are you.
So you're
I
captain,
am
man.
alone, me
So
a
you're
captain. Anybody want you want to dash
Tell
your
them,
see, just call me.
Watch out, man. You see me now, hold up and all that. So do you guys
You know what me
come and
can
journey,
listen.
yeah?
What me can
Alright.
see, nobody can find them now. You jump the fly. They say wild has ears and what?
That's all. The son of his name.
Alright. What you know?
Let's go to the man. Let's do the right. Yeah, that. Yeah.
Yeah, forward, look. Now wait. Yeah, look, there you go. Okay. I'll get fucking down and I'll go. Can't bring it.
Hello. Yeah, going.
Pinky, what go on? There, man. You see me there up on the beach side.
How am I there, man? If you calling you?
Yeah, man, they're right beside around there with you. So, right by boat bar. You know, boat bar there. Right from the training, man. I'm on the left side.
Alright, I'm calling you now.
No, that's not why I go around this way, you know. Unless I move too loose, you know.
See how it.
Yes, the people are running and run out as they feel like on the block. You know, so not so boss black. Boss not left in black so loose. I'm not understand. You govern everything around there, you know what going on. Everything what going around them, I not understand people to chop back and things. You know, we not run them game there. You know what I mean? So what you know, angle or bangle come check me. Right now. Right. Yeah, man. Right this one. Right this. This is right. Correction.
That's why I can't take the whole side now. Yo, cause me I go up on the road, you know. I'm soon forward back. Pardon?
Me I said leave me. You're gonna leave me here and go up on the road.
But you're going like your wife man now. You move like your wife man now. So what do you mean by if me I go up on the road and left you? You're a baby?
No, I'm not a baby, but
Me I go up on you just go and ease yourself.
remember, so your house is not that quite safe, and I just don't want to be here by myself. So I want to come with you on the road. No, we can't stay here by myself. I want to come with you.
Alright, come on then.
So you move so I can want to come with you.
Come on then.
Yeah, watch me now. I can know we'll build a band. Maybe I'm playing myself.
Awa.
No, I'm just sleeping.
Alright.
Where you go now?
There man. That one there make a hook up stuff.
Listen to me, I said, I don't have work. I don't understand. Oh, you are on the block so loose. You are on the block and I want loose ball. I understand. I be a strange people on my block, you know. I don't so boss on the block. Oh, you are on the block so they get loose too? Huh? You know?
If I tell you what loose today for you, you would lick me out here and tell I'm sorry for me.
This boy, listen to me, I say.
Let me tell you
A
what
bag of people that come from boss block.
bag of people like, oh.
Oh, you mean?
Oh. Bag of people like, oh.
You don't understand?
You don't know.
I'm not dumb.
A bag of people like, oh.
I'm more teeth and toe, tell me so. So a bag of people around there. I feel up back and I feel up strap and a low strap and a... Weed that dumb that shall I'm weed.
You see, more teeth and tongue.
Mm-hmm.
Who do want to tell you if I got tell you more teeth and tongue, you know?
Why?
You
If I
understand?
tell them, I'm tell them,
Because-
I know me I get pressed.
Because no boy and no girl can press me. And let me tell you something too. If I'm a cousin I worry about, I can lift up after my cousin because my cousin is no arm to me.
I remember say,
Yeah?
listen, I see me live. Me live, I see. Me no response so I go upon land. Remember that? Me just coming off I see.
So I go and pan land when you come to me
Listen,
then.
you know what? You know what?
Huh?
Just call to tell you, I'm just get the message to tell you. Clear up everybody up on Bossy Black. Flush straight and cheese. Wash them out with further water. Wash them with lime and salt and sugar. You know what I
You ever
mean?
wash out yourself first before you tell me to wash out
Mama, listen to me I say.
Huh?
Listen to me I say.
Huh?
You know Bossy a boss not run joke, you know. And if boss come across certain people on the block, you know, shut
You don't
up.
let me give a shit about bossy.
You don't care.
Eh? You don't let me give a shit about
You
bossy.
don't care.
Let me tell you something. I come to borrow money from you.
For me,
I come to borrow money from you. But you see, you know, you're gonna move like you don't have no sense.
listen now. Me and money and no friends. How much money you don't want, so?
What do you mean by how much money I want, so? You lend me, you have to tell me if you lend me. Yes or no?
Boy, me can lend it, but I want to get it back.
My youth.
That's some birthday and
everybody
birthday.
get them cut.
Listen, I'm birthday month.
Everybody I get them cut down.
Everybody get them cut, but you get your cut different. You have woman and man, my name. Probably get 30, I get
Alright, one more
155.
500,000.
Huh? Why am me? Eh? Me just a side man where I do work for bossy. Why never call bossy? Bossy have all the money, you know. What you make of me? You see America me I do, I see America you I do. I see America everybody I do. So why you want some money from me?
You know what?
Me not happy.
Dismiss yourself from friend.
Listen me as I know.
Dismiss yourself. Listen what? I'm feeling
Listen me as I know.
Eh?
You see you? You see you? You see you? You see you? William Pinky. You love you say brain. You say brain. You see brain? Wow. Your brain for nice. You go on.
What kind of man boss is scared when he work?
What kind of man?
Eh?
Boss pay you last week and he pay me last week.
I'm stuck in a one.
I'm not cooking and stuff. But why you want to tax me? You know, say you want money to borrow. What you do it for your money?
So borrow and tax are two different things.
Me ask you.
Eh?
Where you borrow money
borrow
for
and
me?
tax are two different things.
You
Man, dismiss a
you
shape
can't
man.
tax
Cause
me.
forward.
You can't borrow no money for you can't try use the head for me. That's what I try to do. You know what?
No matter of fact, to me, I got my bombard yard
See you. I don't know where I come from and who you.
Where mean you don't know me I come from?
I don't know where I talk about.
What you mean you don't know me I talk about?
Where I talk.
Who saved you from out of jail? Who let you out?
I don't know where I talk about.
Look for me face, cause obviously you're nasty. Look up for me, up in your yard.
I want me to see you.
What my name?
Eh? Or Detective Spencer or something like that.
Oh, so you're gonna carry that?
Mom,
You realize you're in chatterbox or not?
me. Let me see a change up now. Me, which part?
Listen
Let me
to
say people business. I'm not here, I don't know what you talk about. What do you talk about?
If you get to me save you from jail.
No, I know say you see me, what we talk
I mean,
about, that's
yes,
an
you
informer. What
So
talk
what you
about?
do around, what you do this and tell my cousin say?
Who you talk about?
Me put my foot in your throat.
Hey, police girl, I'm right.
Who ya? I police. Hey boy, me send about down there now.
Girl.
Beside the man.
Hey, police girl.
Beside the man.
You're not a pitney.
You want to go back and
Me ask a question.
No.
You're not a pitney. So you did.
Why? Answer a question. You want to go back to jail?
Me not want to go to jail.
Or you want dead?
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet.
Jamar Says like a land. I know your heart's afraid of me, someone like me. You've seen the flow, the flex of what you think it could be. I know you're thinking that I'm just a bad boy. Breaking hearts is the only thing I'm good for. All I'm saying, I can be that one to take away your pain in some crazy way. Be my bullet, I can be your gun, and we can shoot just for fun. I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy, I can be a soldier. Right away, bad boy, good boy, rude boy. I know you love the bad boy feeling. Dirty talk, but only when the mood is right. Making up is the greatest, yes. You get excited when I tell you all the things that you love, but still you're trying to hide that feeling. Baby, I got the sex for healing. Just in the light, the mood is right. We gon' do it all night. I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy, I can be a soldier, baby. Bad boy, good boy, rude boy. Tell them all. This is what we do. If you run things harder, if you give me love, girl, I the queen of me harder. I can be the one, I can be the hot stepper. You and me together every day we get later, and I can show you love and I can show respect. Champion love already, control your bed. I girl, you better trust me, girl, you better know. I could go anywhere you go. I can be a bad boy, I can be a good boy, I can be a rude boy, I can be a soldier. Check this out. Bad boy, good boy, rude boy. I can be a bad boy. Na 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 na. Tell them again. Rough.